Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to blur the background. Open an image. Make a copy of background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Name the layer as copy. Select background layer. Go to Select tab and click on Subject. The man in the photo is get selected automatically. We need to select the shoes area manually, using Quick Selection tool. Press Alt to reduce the selection. Now zoom the selected part. You can see edges are outside selection area. To increase the selection, go to Select tab. Click on Modify and select Expand. A property box will pop up. Insert the expand value up to 3 pixels. Now go to Edit tab and select Content Aware Fill. A new window will get open. You can see the preview here. To get the background on new layer, select Output to duplicate layer. Press OK. You can see the background copy on new layer. Hide the background layers to view the man selection. Now select Copy Layer and add mask. Now unhide background copy layer. Go to Filter and select Blur Gallery. Click on Tilt Shift. This will blur the top and bottom of the image and keep center area intact. When you roll the cursor here, the image get more blur. Here in Property box you can increase or decrease the blurriness. Take down the center point as the feet of the man. You will notice as we take down the dash line, blurriness get applied. You can change the bokeh properties here. Increase the blur value and press OK. Here is the result. You must be wondering why we apply mask here, right? Here is the answer. As you zoom the man, you can see the edges which are from background. Select mask. As we know white shows and black hides, we will paint it with black. Now it's looking much better. Did you find it interesting? Then don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.